Hey guys, it's me, SPC, Franklin County 373 here, and time for me to be Captain Obvious. It is a Wednesday, specifically Wednesday, July 19th, 2023, at 10:53 a.m. and Wednesday at 10:53 a.m. What is that? What is that? Does that sound a little familiar to you? Sounds familiar to me. Yep, we are getting close to the RWT. Yep. And, oh, didn't I say that today I would also reveal the day we're going to New Jersey? Yes. Alright, let's do it right here, right now, so I don't have to do that, whatever. Yeah, I don't have to do that. I don't have to do it later, cause, I don't know, because, this video is probably not going to be posted until, like, Saturday, but, whatever, let's just do it. I might put it in the community post. But we are going to be leaving on Sunday, July 30th, and coming back on Sunday the 6th. Yep, a full week in New Jersey. Hooray. But, yeah. Last year, I went a little later in August, but this year we're going to go a lot earlier. So, I have some time before school starts. Yep, school's going to start soon. Sad. Whatever. But yeah. Also, tomorrow we have a slight risk of severe thunderstorms. So a lot of compilations will be posted soon, including this one. But yeah. Alright, you already know what I'm gonna do. Y'all know the drill. Catch 86, 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 catch 86. Kiddo S68, catch 86, WWG7, catch 86. Alright, yep, did it. Speedrun. Alright, finished that. So yeah, now we just have to wait until the RWT rolls around. And yeah, alright guys. Alright guys, it is 11 o'clock. ILN, CLE, come on, come out of your rabbit hole.
Potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distance,
No.
Even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings
For the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hawkins, Knox, Lincoln, Madison, Marion, Norwell, Muskingum, Pelly, Picklewood, and Union. The weekly test of weather radio station KRG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. Okay.
Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central
Alright.
Ohio.
Gotta be quick.
Rest of today, partly cloudy.
Gotta be really, really quick. You gotta be quick. Gotta go quick.
Southwest around 5 miles an hour to 10. Mostly clear.
Okay. Now we just have Gator West 60.
Around 80.
Come out.
Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing.
All eyes on Gator West 68. Don't go static right now. Just looking mad.
Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Monday, mostly sunny in the morning, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s.
There we go.
This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the
Hold on.
weather radio station.
CJY 68 Chiller Coffee, Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially bit radios
Can be
and machines.
automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Fairfield, Fayette, Hawkins, Jackson, Pickaway, Pike, Ross, and Benton. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station
TJY 68 Chiller Coffee, Ohio.
This is no weather radio. Now,
Okay.
Weather Service forecast office in Cleveland. We supply the latest
This guy
available
down.
information for the Central Highlands over station WWG57 from Butler on a frequency of 162.450 megahertz. On the latest weather map, high pressure will be over the central and east. John Glenn, Columbus. The area on Thursday,
Okay.
followed by a cold front moving west east Thursday evening. A trough will linger across the eastern
Let WWG7 come out whenever you wanna. Alright, I'm gonna turn it down a bit so I don't get jump scared.
forecast for the Central Highlands.
Alright. So early. I thought you were supposed to come at 11:20.
This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for WWG57 for the Central Highlands of Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The forecast.
Okay. That's a wrap.
Wet. Chance of rain 70%. Friday. Evening, then clearing.
But no. Alright. Well, that's a wrap. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching Solid WT compilation. And I'll be back for the next RDT. I have a whole bunch of compilations. There could possibly be one tomorrow. Since basically I'm in the middle of a slight risk. Yeah. But yeah. So expect a whole bunch of compilations to come in the coming days. One being the EAS compilation from when? The 17th. Yeah, that's gonna come out today. And, yeah. Alright, guys. Bye.